What's up guys, Anthony Studio Pops here, and today we're gonna go pick up something real quick here in GameStop, one of my pre-orders. So let me show you what it is. Alright guys, this is what we got. Pretty cool, man. Guys, we got our pre-orders already. Pretty cool, man. I've been waiting for this guy for a while, but let's go back to the house, a closer look at him. So let's go. Woo! Guys, we're back at home and it's already night. We picked up today the SHINSO right here, guys. Look at this beauty, man. Oh my god, I've been waiting for this guy forever, like ever since it got announced and everything. I pre-ordered him last month, I think, and then boom, here we are. It took a while than I expected, but yeah, man, I'm very happy that we got SHINSO on the collection and everything. Pretty cool. A closer look at him. We're gonna open him up real quick. This is one of the pops I've been wanting to get in 2020, and here we are, man. Wow, look at this. Such a cool pop. Look at this, man. Look at the details. And my lighting is not the best, guys. You guys know the drill and everything. That's gonna change soon. Pop, I love the details on the hair and everything. Wow, pretty cool. So yep, guys, we got SHINSO on the collection. We're gonna move on to some unboxing SHINSO till now. Like, I was waiting for SHINSO to come out and everything to show you guys this unboxings of stuff that I got over the weeks and everything. So yeah, we're gonna open that now and everything. So we're gonna show you guys everything. Here is My Hero. Everything on these boxes, everything is Myheroacademia. So pretty cool, man. Should be a cool video. First off, we're gonna show this off. This is something that I showed off in one of my videos, but I decided to wait till SHINSO comes in and everything, and then I'll show them off in this video. But yeah, this is a pocket pop. Pretty cool. This is from Hot Topic, and this, of course, guys, look at this awesome thing. This is the glow in the dark All Might. Pretty cool pocket pop. Pretty cool. I was thinking of getting the box lunch one because they all have this different stickers and everything, and I think the sticker on the box lunch one looks pretty cool than this one. Pop, I love this thing, and it glows in the dark, which I love and everything. So pretty cool, man. So All My Silver Age glow in the dark from Hot Topic. We got that. We're gonna put that on the side, and we're gonna move on to this box right here. I think this is from Amazon. This guy got restocked out of nowhere, and I was pretty surprised that he got restocked and everything. He's like a vaulted pop now, and all of a sudden he just came back out of nowhere. They restocked him and everything. He's one of the first ones that ever came out, I think. I'm not sure. Oh, okay, this is something else. You know what, I'm gonna keep this last and we're gonna move on to something else. But this is the one. This is from Galactic Toys. I bought this on eBay, and it was Galactic Toys themselves that they had a couple more of these pops. So this was the pop that I was talking about. Out of nowhere, it was a pop that I've been wanting to get for a while, man. But I didn't want to get him because he was kind of pricey, so decided to wait. And of course, patience is key, and I got this guy in a regular price. And I believe I have this. Oh my god, they have the OGs on the back. But yeah, guys, we got Myheroacademia Katsuki Bakugo. They got the original Myheroacademia pops. Of course, Tanya's there and everything. That's a pop that I'll eventually get in the future, not now, because he's very pricey right now. He's like around 120 bucks for the common one. I was such a dumb boy back then. I went to a Hot Topic a long time ago, and I saw Tanya just laying there. I wish I could find a photo. Maybe I'll show in the future something like that. We'll talk about it in another video. But I did run through Tanya pop in the wild, just being there on the shelves and everything. I regret not getting that. I was not into Myheroacademia at that moment or anything like that. But of course, guys, one step closer with Katsuki in the collection. Bakugo. I wish we can get another variant of this guy with his mask and everything, or some kind of new pose or something like that. And then we're gonna move on to the next package. Okay? And then this pop is one of the pops that I've been wanting to get for 2020. So it was on my hunt list for 2020, which I created it on Instagram. I think it's in my like in the highlights page, on the highlights side of my Instagram page, which you should follow, Anthony Studio Pops at Instagram. Pretty cool pictures and everything. Awesome community growing there, so I'm pretty happy about that. Protection, but that's fine, man. I prefer this than just throwing it in the box and just no protection or anything like that. So good job, man. This pop right here that I just took out of the box Wow. I think this is one of the best pops ever made, because like the details on this guy is like incredible. Like, it's crazy. Guys, we got Myheroacademia Hero Killer Stain from New York Comic Con exclusive. Pretty cool, man. Like, the details on this guy. But for now, we're gonna show him off in the box. He looks all right in there. Pop protector and everything, pretty cool. The side of the box, the back with I think this is the second wave of Myheroacademia pops. Killer Stain, one of my favorite villains in Myheroacademia. Here we go into the collection. And now, guys, I wanted to show off something that there was a sale on Funimation.com. Decided to do a 50% off on some exclusive and stuff like that on their Funko Pops and everything. This is an exclusive from last year, and oh my god, this is insane. Look at this box. Wow. Now the reason I got this guy, I'll tell you guys why. But guys, look at this. This is the Chrome All Might from New York Comic Con. This was selling in the Funimation booth. Just the box. I love this box, man. This is such a cool box. That's pretty cool, man. It's the reason that I got this guy. I'm not a huge fan of Chrome Pops, and the reason that I got this guy is for a very good reason. On April, I'm going to a convention called MegaCon. It's a convention that I go every year here in Orlando and everything, on Florida. Yeah, go to MegaCon and everything. And of course, in the convention, guys, they're gonna have Justin Briner as he's Deku. They're gonna have Ochako, I forgot her name, the voice actor name, but they're gonna have Chris Sabath on the convention. So I'm gonna take this guy to the convention and I'm gonna make him sign it. So pretty cool. I want him to write something like a quote from the show or anything, like, I don't know, like, you two can become a hero. That would be a cool quote to put on the box here, man. The only reason I got this pop was to take it to the convention for Chris Sabath to sign it for me and everything right here on the front. So yeah, man, I got that quest. It's my first time taking a pop for like a voice actor to sign it for me. And if you guys don't know who Chris Sabath is, guys, where you been? I'm so stupid. Don't listen to me. I'm stupid. Anyway, here's the voice of All Might. Pretty cool. One of my favorite heroes in the anime. And of course, he's the voice of Vegeta from Dragon Ball Z. Like, right? That's crazy. That's super crazy. Gonna take this pop to the convention on MegaCon on April, and I'm gonna make him sign it and everything. So yeah, man, I'm pretty hyped for that. I want to see how it feels for that experience. That must be such a cool experience for someone, for a fan or something like that that's been watching the anime for a while. And I want to show off something real quick before we go. The reason I left this guy on the last part because it's not unboxing, it's like a haul. The thing is that this pop does not come with a box, with the original box, but a really good price, guys. I couldn't pass it and everything. He came in a pop protector, but it's just the plastic and the figure. So I think I spent like around 13 or 14 bucks on this. And I'll get it. I don't care. Like, the box, I can get one with a box somewhere in the future, so I'm not worried about that. New York Comic Con exclusive as well, 2019. Dabi from My Hero, from the League of Villains. Pretty cool, man. This one I can take out of the box because I did check it and everything. The reason I opened this guy up is of course I wanted to check it out because like he didn't have the box or anything like that. Before I bought this, of course I talked with the seller and everything. Is there any issues about the figure or anything like that? He said that no, he was just only missing the box. The figure is perfect condition and everything. He's fine. The plastic thing and all that. So yeah, man, look at this beauty out of the box, man. We got Dabi. This guy goes for a lot now. For 60 bucks, if I'm not mistaken. Like on eBay, he's on crazy price. On Pop Price Guy, he's like around 50 bucks now. So yeah, man, pretty cool. He's such a cool pop, man. He's such a lot of good details and everything. I love the flames, the flame effects and everything on the floor. And of course the hand, the skin, like his patches and everything. It's such a cool pop, bro. Cool pop, man. Pretty cool. But I think that's it, guys. Much it for this video. And I just wanted to show off all the recent stuff that I got for My Hero and everything. But I wanted to wait until I got SHINSO on my hands and everything, so I could show off all some Myheroacademia stuff that I got over the weeks and everything. So pretty cool, man. But guys, if you enjoyed this video, and tomorrow is New York Toy Fair, and there has been some leaks already, man. Oh my god. I don't want to talk about it because I want Funko to release it first. But we're getting a new endeavor, bro. We're getting, oh my god, we're getting so many. We're getting 10-inch, oh my, different pose. Like, he's been rumored for a while, but like, I thought it was gonna be in this pose, like, you know, his regular pose, Funko pose, like this one. He has a different pose, like something, like reaching for something. I'm not really sure, but he looks very cool, man. And oh my god, we got the best genist. And we're getting a school uniform, Deku, and high school uniform. I think the school uniform is going to come with a UA High. It's like a Pop Town. So I'm pretty happy about that. We're getting another Tomura Chigaraki. We're getting another Chigaraki. And we're getting so many other heroes and everything. So many other villains. We're getting Overhaul. And I think those are the ones I can think off the top of my mind. I know there's more. But I'm not really I don't remember all the pops from the list and everything. But yeah, man, we got some really cool leaks and everything. But of course, tomorrow is going to be the big reveal and everything. Thank you so much for watching this, guys. Of course, again, share it with some My Hero Academia fans and stuff like that. And I'll see you on the next one, guys. And stay positive.